Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to fix fingerprint not showing in settings. So the first thing that we want to do here is to verify first if we have the fingerprint option available on our phone. So usually we can verify that by going to our settings here. So just go to settings, and when we go to the bottom side of your settings here, you should be able to see the password and security option. So when we actually click on that, you should be able to see the fingerprint unlock option there. But if you aren't able to see it here, then most probably, or later on we'll have other solutions for this one, but most probably your phone might not have actually support fingerprint. So you might want to actually confirm first if your fingerprint option or if the fingerprint feature is actually available on your phone first. So make sure that you check with your manufacturer first or online if your phone actually supports the fingerprint unlock feature. So usually the fingerprint unlock feature is usually on the screen itself. Oh, but sometimes it has it on the back, so you just need to check in your back or in your screen itself if you see a circular type of scanner there. So either in the back or in the front or even in your power button on the sides. So you might want to check the sides of your phone as well just to confirm if you have the fingerprint unlock feature. So once you're able to confirm that you have the fingerprint option on your phone, then we are now ready to go to our next solution. So for our next solution, we want to actually make sure that we actually have the latest updates on our phone. So you might want to go to the top again here and just basically tap in about phone here. So usually sometimes the update or the software updater for our phone is usually located here, but sometimes it might not appear here on your phone. So we want to actually go to another section of our phone. So you can actually go to the system apps updater. Sometimes you'll be able to locate the updater for your for your software on your Android device here. So make sure that you either check both of those, so either about phone or system apps updater. You should be able to see the update button for the software updater on Android. So once you've updated your mobile device, you want to go ahead and check your password or your password and security section here again, and if you're able to see the fingerprint unlock feature again. So if you aren't able to see it here, then you might want to actually use the search settings at the top of your screen. So it might be actually separated, so it depends on your manufacturer. Sometimes they separate this one. So you just need to type in fingerprint, and you should be able to see the fingerprint unlock option there. So if nothing appears here on your screen and you've already updated your phone and you already have the latest software, then most probably your phone might not have the fingerprint unlock feature available on your phone. So I just have to warn you that not all phones have the fingerprint unlock option. It depends on the manufacturer itself if they include it on your phone. So if you don't have the fingerprint unlock option here, then most probably it didn't came with the device itself because of the decisions of the manufacturer itself. So yeah, here you just need to have the fingerprint feature on your phone for it to enable. So yeah, so hopefully that actually solves your problem. Just make sure that you have the latest software, and hopefully you'll be able to solve your issues here and access your fingerprint on your phone. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.